Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to extract the cutout. Means I have drawn a sketch here. I need to doing the cutout. I need this profile, this part also, and this part too. For that, how to make a split instead of using split command, which consists of you can extrude a surface, then make a split. So the one easiest way is which I wanted to tell you is this. In mold tools, you can see this core option. So select this core, select the sketch, and give through all, and give OK. So as you can see, so you retained this profile and this profile both. So in some cases, you needed both profiles at that time. This will be useful. So, and one more, the inconvenient way is you can extrude the surface, then make a split option. So that will become inconvenient, and this is the easiest way. Thank you.